like, what's the pay like?
30.
What kind of license do you need?
Class
Class A license, any endorsements?
A, hazardous,
Hazardous.
hazmat endorsement.
Okay. And you need experience too?
Yeah, you need experience at least 3 years.
Okay.
You can get hired.
Like, how many hours you get per week?
65,
Oh, wow, nice.
67, yeah.
And, like, what's the pay like?
35, $30 an hour.
Oh, that's pretty good. Not bad. Yeah, you like the job?
Yeah, I do a big job for a little while. 20 years.
Oh, 20 years. Wow. Any crazy stories?
Thank you God, nothing happened yet, man.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Good.
Don't think because you do this for 30 years, you can do everything easy. You can go over like a dry crazy or something like that, you know. You gotta always have to respect.
Okay.
And some people, they say, oh, I got it for 30 years. They scratch around the corner.
It's a truck driver or heavy duty truck driver?
Truck driver with tankers, rocky launcher experience, because it's not only do this. My job is not only operate this equipment. I know how to operate tankers, hauling liquid.
Oh, nice.
With that flammable liquid, with all kind of liquid. That's why I got my hazmat, because that's the way I can transport any hazardous material. I'm from El Salvador. I have more than half of my life right here living in the United States. Man. Coming when I was 22, 53 right now. I'm from El Salvador, but now this is the country I live.
Thank you so much.
All right,
man.
man. Have a nice day.
Have a good day.
Look at that. Look at that.